Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing.
This way you can see it before you buy it.
And today we are talking about a new product from B2 Audio. And yes, we are an authorized online seller and also a distributor. So if you're a dealer or shop or you know a dealer shop, hit us up. But check this out. This is the RAGE69X. Not your normal coaxial here. This thing is pretty cool. And let me tell you something. First off, you can get a set of these. These are $119.95 a set. You think, oh, it's just a standard coaxial. No, it is not. First off, it has a soft dome tweeter. Now, most of your cheaper coaxials here has like a little silver cap on top, right? Okay, this is a soft dome tweeter, which is probably one of the best sounding types of tweeters out there. It is a sound that is enjoyable. It doesn't make you squint. This is coated. It has Veal surround. Doesn't mean you can go throw this in the water, but if it did get some moisture, it's not gonna blow it up. It does come with a grill. Now, yes, the grill is kind of cheesy, but a lot of people don't use them. And for the ones that do, you can paint this, you can do whatever. And it does have a cap to block it in. So that is really cool. Another thing to point out here is it's got multiple capacitors. So this actually puts a cap on the driver and also this tweeter, which is really cool. And you normally don't see that. Normally you just have a small cap connecting the tweeter if it actually has a real one or not. They use the word in Europe concentric. I'm gonna explain it a little bit. This is made to have a really wide range. And I'm not talking about frequencies, but the wave of the, remember, sound is just movement of air, but this actually has a wide angle. So you almost got it like a home audio setup where you get that surround sound without even having the rear speakers on because it just fills in around you instead of a directional type. So that right there already makes this thing sound a lot better. Plus having the driver itself crossed over and the tweeter allows you to basically hook this up to anything. Now, another thing I want to point out here is some of the specs. So you can find this on bigjeffaudio.com. You can just search RAGE69X. Hey, do me a favor too, while we're doing this, hit that like button right now. That's the easiest thing to do and it helps me out the most. Share this out, and when we're done, leave a comment. All right, let's look at this real quick. 50 hertz to 30 kilohertz. RMS is only 100 watts to make this thing work. And people always think more power, the better, but it's efficiency. And I'll explain this, and I've done it in other videos. I had an F-150 V6 Eco, which was a twin turbo 6-cylinder. That was capable of putting out as much power and torque as the Coyote 8. Why? Well, it's just more efficient that you only need 6 cylinders. By putting turbos on them, you can even get as much output as 8 cylinders. It's efficiency. Why would I need to have 500 watts? If it can do its job, sound great, and be loud, which that's the slogan, it can never be too loud. Make sure you remember that hashtag. Why not? I don't need a lot of power. Now, this has a very nice spider. It's black. They actually did some venting holes right here. Looks so the coil can breathe. And you look at it, you say it's just a normal 6x9, Big Jeff, but yes and no. One, it's in a great price range, and I can compare this to other brands like Rockford or Kicker, but the sound quality on this is incredible. Let's look at some other specs here. Let's see, magnet type is Neo on the tweeter, and anything that says Neo is gonna be really expensive. So for $120, this is awesome. Then you have a ferrite magnet on the driver itself. Power handling is 100 watts RMS, max 300 watts. It's a 4-ohm speaker. Voice coil is 1 inch. Magnet size is 20.6 ounce. Frequency, we talked about 50 to 30 kilohertz. Sensitivity is 90 dB. This type of driver can work in a free air environment or in a closed environment. Obviously, when you enclose it, you're gonna get a little more mid-range. You get 2 in a set, you get the grills. Really cool, good sound speaker. Now, I could just be blowing smoke over everybody's butt, but let's go and hook it up on the test bench. Get some music playing through here, do a walk, but you'll be able to hear the clarity of it. And with Video Magic, we'll be right there. Okay, here we are, hooked up. Use a normal 4-channel Black Diamond amp I use for testing. It's about 100, 150 watts, depending if you wire it down to 2 ohms. This is at 4 ohms right here. and we're gonna play some music in it. I'm gonna let you try to see and hear it, and then we'll do a walk back on it. I mean, it's something that doesn't kill my ears. Okay, here we go. Let's watch this. Incredible sound. I don't really know how you can hear it through the video if you're having headphones, definitely, but here that soft dome tweeter is so rich, and I can't explain the difference. If you take a titanium type tweeter compared to a soft dome, it's night and day difference in sound. Way more comfortable to hear, way more quality. Now, could you run these off of factory power or a radio? Yes. But as you can see, given about 100 watts, it really opens up. So that's what you need to do. So this is the RAGE69, 120 bucks right now. And check it out, you can't go wrong with this. And you know what I like? I really like the coating because no matter where you are, there's humidity, there's moisture, and this is gonna hold together for you. Listen, I'm Big Jeff with another unboxing. Please leave a comment. If you haven't done it, hit that like button and always share. If you're watching this on one of the social medias, subscribe, follow us, same thing on YouTube. And we'll bring more of these to you, and this allows us to spread the Big Jeff name and do more giveaways each month. I'm Big Jeff, until the next one. I'll see you.